Before we get started on this quick road assessment, did you know Main Street was uninterrupted by buildings and used to have cars and street traffic its entire length? However, in 1966, part of it was transformed into a pedestrian mall. The stretch from about 5th to 10th Street became one of the city's defining downtown spaces. Main Street is in good condition. Currently, only minor signs of wear and aging can be observed. The street has some minor alligator cracking, road repair patches, multiple skid marks, and minor road ruts in a few areas. These conditions appear limited and do not significantly detract from the roadway's current functionality. Also, Main Street has a narrow road shoulder in some areas and no defined road shoulder in others, which may limit the available space for drivers to maneuver or recover if they unintentionally leave the travel lane. The reduced road shoulder width can also make it more difficult for vehicles to safely pull over in the event of an emergency, breakdown, or other roadside issues. Drivers should remain attentive and maintain proper lane positioning, particularly along sections where the road shoulder is limited or absent. Moreover, drivers will encounter a few automobiles parked along the side of Main Street, and with some vehicles in business parking areas positioned relatively close to the street. These conditions may reduce the available space adjacent to the travel lane and can affect drivers by limiting visibility, particularly when vehicles are entering or exiting parking spaces. Drivers may also need to exercise additional caution when passing parked vehicles, as an unexpected opening of a vehicle door, pedestrian movement, or vehicle pulling into traffic could require a quick adjustment in speed or lane position. As you can see here, this is misuse of the middle turning lane. A middle turning lane is intended to provide a shared space for drivers to safely slow down and prepare to make left turns into or out of a roadway without blocking through traffic. Drivers should use the lane only for turning and should enter it when it is safe and permitted, rather than using it as a travel lane, passing lane, or vehicle maintenance lane. Misusing the middle turning lane can create confusion, reduce visibility, and increase the risk of sideswipe or head-on collisions, particularly when drivers enter from opposite directions at the same time. Proper use helps maintain traffic flow and gives drivers a safer area to position themselves before completing a turn.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip channel.